Welcome to Practical Linux Security Solutions, a video course by Pact Publishing. Hi, I'm Alistair Owain, and I will be the presenter for this course. Tajinder Khalsi is an innovative professional with more than 9 years of progressive experience within the information security industry. He has a good amount of knowledge and experience in web application testing, vulnerability assessment, network penetration testing, and risk assessment. At present, he is working as an independent information security consultant. He started his career with Wipro as a technical associate, and later on he became an ISMS consultant cum technical evangelist. In his free time, he conducts seminars in colleges all across India. In the past, he has reviewed books such as Web Application Penetration Testing with Kali Linux, Mastering Kali Linux for Advanced Penetration Testing, and Advanced Wireless Penetration Testing for Highly Secured Environments. You can find him on Facebook at www.facebook.com/tajinder.khalsi.tj or contact him on his website at www.tajinderkhalsi.com. When setting up a Linux system, security is supposed to be an important part of all stages. A good knowledge of the fundamentals of Linux is essential to implementing a good security policy on the machine. The first section, Linux Security Problems, covers various vulnerabilities and exploits in relation to Linux. It also discusses the kind of security that can be implemented for these exploits. In the next section, Local File System Security, we will look at Linux file structures and permissions. The next section, Local Authentication in Linux, explores user authentication on a local system while maintaining security. The section, Remote Authentication, talks about authenticating users remotely on a Linux system. Next, we will move to Network Security. This section provides information about network attacks and security. The next section is Security Tools and Security Distros. This section targets various security tools and distributions of Linux that can be used for security on a Linux system. After that, we move to patching a Bash vulnerability. Here we will explore the most famous vulnerability of Bash shell, which is known as shell shock. It gives readers an understanding of shell shock vulnerability and security issues that can arise with its presence. The final section, Security Monitoring and Logging, provides information on monitoring logs in Linux on a local system as well as a network. For this course, you just need to have a Kali or Ubuntu Linux operating system. So let's begin this wonderful journey together, and I hope to see you there.